I would say like she's parang medyo masungit at that time. I'd say like really grumpy. Because I just wanted help from work that time because I was like very busy in my branch. So there was like no option. So tinawagan ko siya para mangingi ng tulong.
When we first met, akala ko magiging uncomfortable ang lahat kasi feeling ko napakayabang niya. Every time na mag-uusap kami, laging English yung sagot niya sa akin. But we click right away. Parang ang tagal na naming magkakilala.